Dear friends, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a rose-shaped lace flower. It looks really three-dimensional and exquisite. You will need 1. A 40 centimeters length lace with wavy edges. 2. Some thread and try to find the same color as your lace if you can. 3. At least a 40 centimeters length ruler. 4. If the lace which you have is wider, you will need to cut off excess with scissors. 5. To make the lace flower able to stick on other things, you will need to prepare some double-sided foam tape. 6. A needle. The first step, if you have a wider than 2 centimeters lace, as I have, you will keep the wavy shape side about 2 to 2.5 centimeters width and cut off excesses width. This way will make your lace flower petals look stunning. Let's start trimming it. The second step, you will need to prepare a thread about the same length of your lace and make a knot at the end. Then stitch through the whole lace folding and stitching through as you go. Stitch through the denser areas if you can. When you are stitching, you don't have to make the gap too close, as we don't need it to stay strong. So you'll need to keep working in the same way till the end of the lace. Before you make the end knot, you can organize each wave equal on the roll. The final length should be 15 centimeters. I will stitch back a bit to make it stay well. Then you can make a knot at the end of the thread. Trying to separate these wave shapes equally again. The third step, just keep using the same thread, so don't cut the thread off. Stitch the end points together. We are going to create the center of the flower. This is the important part. You will need to get the point which you have folded the lace end to start rolling along the straight side of the lace. When you roll a bit of the lace, stitch it to make the flower bud. And you are going to keep the center of the lace a little bit close and gradually expand the size of the bud. Try to make the petals align together and grab the rolling legs together. Keeping the wave petals equal and checking it looks good from the top side. If you are happy with the shape, then you can stitch these petals together. Finally, stitch the wavy end of the lace to the edge of the flower. Try to stitch up through the whole width of the lace. I will stitch back a little bit to make it stay well. Then you can make a knot at the end. At this moment, you can extend all petals and make it look good. After you made a final knot, you are able to hide the thread into the center of the flower. So you can stitch it back and straighten the last petal. Then cut the excess off. That's all you need to do. You have made a lace flower. Alright, we can get some foam tape to stick on the back side of the flower. If your flower is smaller, you can put one sticker. In this case, I'm going to put 4 of them. Here we go. That's a simple way to make a lace flower. I hope it will all make a sense to you, and I hope that was simple and easy enough for you to follow along. At the same time, I'm trying to make this course short and able to be quickly picked up. Thank you so much for checking out this course, and I hope that you enjoy this tutorial. I will share more interesting DIY course with you. Please subscribe if you like this content. See you soon next time.